Ooh, I'm so super excited. My boxes are in from Pack Lane. I'm excited. Make sure you guys, if after you guys see this unboxing, let me know if you guys want to get your personalized boxes, and click the link in the description. Ooh, I can't wait. This is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It came out perfect. The more you practice, the better you get. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you gotta fold them. So this is from Pack Lane. They come printed. Let me see if I can package this up, if it's easy for us to package, which it seems like it is. I'm so super excited about this, to ship my boxes out to you guys. I'm not going to really tell you what I'm going to put in this box just yet. It is a surprise, but I am excited that our boxes are in. It came earlier than I expected, to be honest. I love the design. I was nervous that if the design and the coloring and the printing was going to come out the way I wanted it to, but this is great to ship. So then this way our brand, ooh, oh my gosh. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this, my box. Look guys. This is all the size, the edges and everything. Oh, let me take that out. This is for the shipping and everything. Oh my gosh, I'm so super excited about this. This is nice. This came out really good.
See all that.
Oh my gosh, this came out so good. Ooh, I can't wait to show you guys what is going to be in your boxes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you guys can get updates of what we're going to include in here. This is the perfect size. And of course, wow, being personalized is everything. Packaging is everything. I can't wait to share with you guys. Oh my gosh, I got my boxes! Oh my gosh, I'm so super pumped up. And they all look great. They all look great. They all look great. I cannot wait for this to go into UPS, the post office. Oh my gosh, your seat comes with a microphone. I'm super pumped. Thank you to my sponsors for making this happen. Pack Lane, thank you so very much for this. I can't wait to order more from you. Oh my gosh. So if you guys want to utilize their services, click the link in the bio for my affiliate code. As you can see, you won't regret it. They came really, really fast. It's easy to put together as well. And it's a great size, so I know it's not going to cost a lot for shipping once these things go out. But I can't wait to make this available for my customers and see how my customers respond when they open up this box. Especially when they see the content and the goodies and the everything that's going to be inside of here. I can't tell you. It's a secret. It's a big surprise. It's a mystery. That's what it is. It's a mystery of what's going to be in this box. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram at dleeinspires. And remember, no authors left behind. And I just want to give encouragement. The more you practice, the better you get. Practice, practice, practice. Oh my gosh, I got my boxes. this. I'm just like so excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you.